Hey everyone, and welcome back to Idmivo. I'm Manasvi. If you're watching this, there are chances that you're dreaming of studying in UK. You're thinking about your studying abroad dream, gaining a world-class education and experiencing new cultures, right? Then, for many, a big question pops up. How will I afford it? The cost of studying abroad can seem haunting, right? But here's the exciting news. It doesn't have to be a barrier for you. So today I'm going to break down everything you need to know about funding your study abroad dream. On this video, we will be specially focusing on scholarship part. Let's start by understanding the different sources for funding your international education. It's more than just one type of scholarship. First comes the golden ticket, which is a scholarships. These are the awards that you don't need to pay back. They come from three main sources. First up, government funded. Think UK's Chevening Scholarship, fully funded for future leader, but it requires work experience and commitment to return. Or Commonwealth scholarships. They are also fully funded, focused on developmental themes, we can say, and usually it is done through the nominations from your home country. And the second comes university specific scholarship. Almost every university offers scholarship of its own. These are based on either merits, we can say good grades, or course specific scholarships for certain or specific programs, we can say. They can be partial, which can cover your thousands of pounds will be waived off, or it can be a fully tuition fee waiver. Third comes external organizations or private scholarships. These are from foundations or trust with some specific criteria. Think of a Rhodes Scholarship for Oxford, or the Felix Scholarships for talented students from specific countries. Beyond scholarships, you can also have other crucial options. Grants and bursaries. These are the smaller payments, one-off payments, so we can say, often for specific needs, usually given by the universities. And the next comes education loan. If your scholarship doesn't cover everything, a student loan is a vital backup. Many banks in your home country offer the specialized education loan for studying abroad, so it's a significant investment for one that can truly pay off. So you know the types. Now let's talk about what all these funders are looking for. These are your golden eligibility criteria, we can say. So first come academic excellence. This is your foundation. Most scholarships, those are merit-based, require a strong academic background. For Indian students, they often mean to say first class if you are a very high percentage, generally 75% or above from a recognized university. The higher your grades, the stronger your application gets. Second comes English language proficiency. This is non-negotiable for most English-speaking destinations like the UK. If we talk about IELTS, university commonly accept or require an overall band of 6 to 6.5 with no bands less than 5.5 to 6 in any of the sections, right? Top university may ask for 7 or 7.5 plus, right? And if we talk about TOEFL IBT, then typical scores are 80 to 90 total, we can say, but leading university always look for 100 plus. So always check your university specific requirements. And third comes statement of purpose, your SOP. This is your story. This isn't just a summary of your CV. It's your chance to tell your story, why this course, why this university are crucial, why you deserve this specific scholarship. You need to show strong motivation, clear future goals, we can say, and how you align with the scholarship's value. It needs to be very, very compelling. Fourth comes letter of recommendation, LORs. These are the vital endorsement, we can say. Choose referees, your professors or professional supervisors who knows you well and can provide specific and strong examples of your abilities, work ethics and character. A generic LOR won't stand out. Fifth comes extracurricular activities and leadership. Many top scholarships look for well-rounded individuals, we can say. So show your involvement in clubs, volunteering events, leadership role, or any community event, we can say. What have you done beyond your academics matters the most, and how have you contributed there, right? Sixth comes work experience. For some postgraduate scholarships, especially for scholarships like Chevening, specific years of relevant work experience is a mandatory requirement. So be precise about your hours and roles. Okay, so knowing the requirement is one thing, but how do you win that? Here are my top strategies to maximize your chances of getting scholarship, right? So first important piece of advice I would like to give you. Scholarship deadlines are often months, sometimes a year before your university application deadlines are there. If you miss a deadline, you miss the opportunity. Simple as that, right? So plan well in advance. Second strategy is tailor every application. Please do not use a generic essay. Every scholarship has a unique mission and values, so research about them and then craft your SOPs and LORs specifically to show that you are a perfect fit for that particular scholarship. This takes time, but trust me, it's worth it. And the third strategy is proofread flawlessly. A single typo or grammatical error can obstruct your application, right? So proofread meticulously and get others to review your documents to perfection. Here is the key. Fourth strategy is highlighting your USP. What makes you different from other excellent candidates? Your unique experiences, perspectives, challenges, or skills. Don't just list your achievements. We can say. Tell a story about their impact and what they reveal about you and your character, your potential, etc. Fifth strategy is prepare for interview. For most competitive scholarship, we can say an interview is the final crucial step. So practice stating your thoughts clearly, concisely and confidently. Research current affairs, especially those related to your field and the scholarship's value, right? So securing a scholarship for your study abroad journey is absolutely within reach, but it's truly a strategic aim, we can say. It requires meticulous planning, deep research and often a bit of expert guidance to navigate the complexity, right? That's exactly where Edmevo comes in. We specialize in guiding students like you through every step of the funding and scholarship application process. We also help in personalized scholarship mentoring and SOP LORs to refinements, application strategy and interview preparation. Don't let the financial aspect hold you back from your international education dream. Let us help you unlock those funding opportunities. So ready to find your dreams? Book your